What's good, everyone? It's Marvin, also known as MJO23Dan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the 2023 Air Jordan 3 Fear and also comparing that with the 2013 Air Jordan 3 Fear. Going over similarities, differences, everything you want to know. Stay tuned. Alright, so Saturday, November 25, 2023, the Air Jordan 3 re-released and for a retail price of $210. Back in 2013, they were $175. So, what are the differences? What are the similarities? We're going to go over that in just a second, but in my opinion, I feel like the Air Jordan 3 Fear for 2023 is pretty close. If you didn't have the 2013 pair in your hand, it's probably not too much to worry about. And just a little backstory on the 2013 pair. So this released in a pack. So we had the 3s, we had the 4s, and we had the 5s. So between the 2 or 3 pairs, which one was your favorite? I think a lot of people gravitate towards the 4s more. I've seen a lot more people wanting that release more. The 4 has been a pretty popular pair over the years. It's been one of the most collab sneakers in Jordan Brand's line. Even going back to like the Undefeated 4s and the Eminem 4s. There's just so much to do with the Jordan 4. I'm not sure why it continues to be Jordan Brand's sneaker of choice when it comes to collaborations, but it ends up being one of the most popular ones that they do. I know Jordan's favorite models are the 1s, the 3s, and the 11s. Also, my favorites, of course, the Jordan 11 is my ultimate favorite because it is the Air Jordan that I bought with my own money. Is my very first pair of shoes back in 1995. Man, that's a long time. But anyways, enough of that. So that's the 2013, and that's the pack. Will we ever see another pack from Jordan Brand, a continuation of the retros to be coming out? We have to see the 4s, we have to see the 5s. The 5s I thought were a little unique, only because it's the first time that I've ever seen cracked leather on an upper, and Jordan Brand utilizing that material on a shoe. I thought that was super unique, and that probably continues to be my favorite one of the pack. Followed by the 3 and then the 4. But, you know, a lot of people have different opinions about what their favorites are, and that's great within the community, and that's something that should be shared. But like we saw with the DMP 11s and the DMP 6, you know, that was part of a package as well, a unified package. But we eventually saw the return of now the Gratitude 11s. You can check out my other video up top to see the review there. And then we saw in, I believe it was 2020, the DMP 6 return. So, you know, 3 years apart, hey, they still release. So hopefully we'll continue to get the whole pack here in hopefully not too long. But let's go over this review and talk more about this. Alright guys, so to begin, let's check out the boxes. We'll go to 2013 first. As you can see here, big old Jumpman on the lid. Elephant print on the sides. The weird thing about this then was that Some of the labels were adhered to the box lid itself, so if you have the bottom of the box, you can interchange that. I think within the next year or two, Jordan Brand eventually put the labels on the actual box itself instead of the lids. But this is the Air Jordan 3 Retro from 2013. The colorway is Night Stadium, Total Orange, Black, and Neutral Gray. The style number is 626967, and a color code is 040. Now, this one is in a 9.5, only because I actually entered for a chance to win all 3 pairs from the pack, the 3, the 4, and the 5. And I actually won that through an online giveaway between Shop AWOL and theshoegame.com. And the choices that I had between 2 pairs were size 9.5 and size 11. Now, since I'm a true size 10, 9.5 is closer to a size 10 than an 11, obviously. So the obvious choice here was to go with a 9.5. Shout out again to theshoegame.com and Shop AWOL. All right, so checking out the 2023 Jordan Fear box, you can see all the writing throughout that was on the insole of the original Fear 3 back in 2013. They put it on the box lid here, and it's not separated from the box itself, but you can see there. Orange on the top. The label here reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, Night Stadium, and Total Orange. Style number is CT8532 and color code is 080. The difference in price between this pair and the 2013, this pair is going to run you $210, while the 2013 was once $175. Before I have you guys check out the inside of this box, let's go back to the 2013. You got the elephant print paper. And then included with the pair was this insert card that we got back in the 1980s with the Air Jordan 3s and all the other like cool incentives and booklets and stuff like that that came with pairs. It just shows a breakdown of the look of the Air Jordan 3 and, you know, a bit more of the description off to the side there. So pretty cool addition for them to bring this back in 2013. For the 2023, again, writing on the box lid, elephant print all throughout. Opening it up, you get that continuation, and you can just check out some of the sayings here. So it's kind of weird, this one released in November when this is kind of like a Halloween theme Air Jordan, but nonetheless, hey, we got it. Who can complain? All right, so any differences, similarities off the bat? Which one's your 2013 giveaway and what's your 2023? So obviously you can see the yellowed hang tag on the 2013. This one didn't come with one. I was pretty surprised that they're not including any of those little extras. You know, for $210 versus $175, a difference between 10 years. Hey, some of the other differences, as you can tell, the 2023, lower elephant print, better toe, tongue, different shape, as we've been seeing with Air Jordan 3s. The elephant print, the actual print, and then the gradient look of the midsole, where it stops right here, just at the midway point of the bubble. You can see here with the 2013, it continues on through. I feel like the speckle is pretty much the same on both. Some of the colors here with the orange hit, the 2013 is actually going to be a little bit darker in comparison with the 2023. You can see a little bit more of a brighter look to it. The Jumpman are probably the same, in my opinion. As you can see here. 2023, you have a little bit of a lighter lining on the inside. Just a little bit. And then if you can see on the insole, 2013, you have a lot of that saying that's on the lid of the 2023 on the inside of the 2013, but that's not in the insole of the 2023. They didn't continue that on. So just note that, you know, Jordan Brand kind of messes with you sometimes, where they don't make it exactly the same, but it is the same. Maybe not. I'll let you guys formulate your opinion there, but I thought that Jordan Brand did an exceptional job with the 2023 version of the Air Jordan 3 Fear. Looking at the outsole here, again, 2023 versus 2013. Pretty similar, although a little bit of a shade difference between the two orange colors on the shoes. As far as fit's concerned, they do ring true to size. You want to go with your normal Air Jordan 3 size. If you've never owned an Air Jordan 3, I would go with your normal shoe size. So, I mean, between the two, the leather is going to be the same. The smooth suede up top with that roughed up leather just below that on the rand. Same situation there with the 2023. I didn't really see too much of a difference between the two, although you do get a little bit more of the suede look and appeal on the 2013 than you do on the 2023. But again, it's just preference for you guys. Alright, appreciate you guys stopping in. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are between the two pairs. Is it the 2023 for you, or is it the 2013 for you? I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.